Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text behind object video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Okay, and for example guys, I'm going to select video from my download folder. I'm going to choose video, and I'm going to create text behind object in this video. Okay, I'm going to add text first to this video, but wait, I'm going to remove the ending. I'm going to click on the text option, and I'm going to add for example heading. I'm just going to type in text behind like this, and I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in and click on the check mark, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and we're going to export this video guys. We can click on this icon, and then we can select the resolution. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to click on export. Okay, and hold on until the video has been exported to your gallery. Okay, click on done, and then I'm going to create a new project again. I'm going to import the video we have just saved, this one, and I'm going to click on next. I'm going to add the original video. I'm going to go to the PIP and then add the original video. Wait, the original video is here. Okay, and I'm going to click on the fit icon to fit the screen, and we're going to select a chroma feature, and I'm going to place it right here on the white color, just like this guys, and then I'm going to adjust the intensity and also the spell, and I click on the check mark. Wait, oops, sorry. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the text behind object has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text behind text behind object video editing using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.